Hey guys, I'm from the Sid Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you a new feature on Apple's new software beta, iOS 5. So today I'll be showing you reminders. So basically, this is just, any normal to-do list. Just now you've got it on your phone. So basically what it is, whatever you want, just click plus, type it in, return, and then you can edit it, make a time when you want it to remind you, on a day, or a new good feature at a location. So basically, I'm not going to do it now, but what you could do this, and then, there you go, there's a new one. So I drag down, and then it says, do my video for iOS 5. So now it takes me, just a little crash there, sorry, takes me here, and then when I'm done here, I can just click done, and then it'll go under my completed. Yep, so thank you for watching. I'm from the Sid Tech. Please be sure to subscribe, rate, comment.